All right, we've got an interesting video for you guys today. So I've gathered about what do we got? We got 8 frequently asked questions, the most frequently asked questions from you guys. Okay, so the most frequent that I receive from you guys, and I will be answering each and every one of them. So at the end of this call, I should not be getting any more questions. I'm just kidding. Ask as much as you want. I love answering them because I'm always right. I'm just kidding. Also a joke. All right, so the very first question we got is, what are the minimum requirements that you look for in a client? You being me, right? So I would say the minimum requirements that I look for in a client would be somebody with initiative, someone who's not looking for a done for you, completely I take everything over, someone who is actually looking for and willing to grow, like looking for growth productively, right? They know they need to grow, they know they need to make a change, and they're open-minded to the fact like, okay, what I'm doing right now is not working for me. So let's just try this new strategy, and actually not just try it, but actually try to become a master at it. Put your hardest into it and understand that output equals input, right? If a client or a prospect understands that output equals input and knows as much as however much they're gonna put out is the amount that they're gonna bring back in. That for me would be a minimum requirement. Someone just willing to put themselves out there and put the work in and work with me to get the best results, right? So the second question we got is, do you only work with flooring companies? Surprisingly enough, I get this question a ton, even though I literally say helping flooring contractors and flooring business owners in my bio and everywhere on my website. But anyway, yes, we specialize, our marketing strategy specialize for flooring contractors and flooring companies. Obviously, marketing works with any company, but our strategy of lead generation is specifically dialed in for flooring business owners, right? The exact strategy that we use is for flooring business owners, right? So we can work with landscapers and some hardscape contractors, right? In the same kind of realm of things, but our main strategies work the best for flooring business owners. Hopefully that answers this question. Number 3, have you ever done flooring? I get this question. People think I'm like 12 years old. Some people say I'm like 23. They're like, oh, you're so young, you're 23. Have you even touched flooring? First of all, I'm 18 years old. I have never touched flooring in my life. My dad was a contractor and he did construction for his whole life, I think 30 plus years. I've never done any construction or touched flooring for that matter. Okay, hopefully that answers all of your questions of have you done flooring. No, I have not done flooring before. I help flooring business owners grow their business. It is a very different game, right? I'm not doing your job and you're not doing mine. Okay, so no, I have not done any flooring. I stay in my lane, you stay in yours, and I get you the jobs, you just gotta do the jobs. I'm not getting you the jobs and doing them and doing my own jobs at the same time. So no, I do not do flooring. Fourth one I get is, how long is the program? So our program is a 3-month program, right? So it's 90 days. We only need 90 days for our system to be fully in place and get the results that we say and guarantee in those 90 days. We don't do a year-long agreement. We don't do a 6-month agreement. A big part of what I do and what I like about my program is at the end of the 3 months, you don't need us anymore. That is the point. So in the program, we have about 10 videos, I believe, 3 modules with around 3 in each side, some maybe 4, explaining everything that we do on our processes, on our back-end processes, and explaining step by step with plug and plays, meaning worksheets step by step, 1 through 10, right? Explaining what you need to do. So at the end of the 3 months, we're done working together. You understand everything that I gave to you, all the value. So at the end of the 3-month program, you should be able to go out on your own and do everything by yourself. But after the 3 months, obviously it's extendable. But yes, it is a 3-month program, 90 days. 5th question I get, is it done with you or done for you? So there are some agencies that do done for you where they take over completely. They sign into your Instagram, they sign into your Facebook, and they're posting all the content for you, creating all the content. For me, it is a hybrid, I would say. So like I said in the beginning, it's gonna be input for alpha. I think I said output for input, but it's input for alpha. However much you put in is however much you're gonna get out. So The first portion of our program is building the authority, which is creating your online presence on Facebook and Instagram mainly. Okay, so that is going to be you recording all of your duties, all of your jobs, filming the parts that need to be filmed, and get that portion done with you. After that, it is completely done for you. We take over all the marketing aspects. We're not teaching you how to do marketing and then you do the marketing yourself. We take over the marketing, so that is done for you completely. And the strategizing, all of that is done for you completely. But the done with you part that is on your portion or on our client's portion is creating the videos and sending us the videos. That is it. Just creating the videos and sending us the videos, and then we edit and take over from there. So I guess, yeah, we can call it a hybrid. Sixth question, how fast do your clients usually see results? It's a good question. So I would say in the first 3 weeks of working together, you will see tangible results. So you will actually be getting leads in the first 3 weeks. Minimum, right? So in the first 3 weeks, you should be seeing, like I said though, however much you put in is how much you're gonna get out of it. So the faster we move, the faster our clients move, the quicker they get results. So some clients take a long time to get their videos filmed, and the results come in maybe 25, 30 days. The first month, then the results come in. But how fast do your clients usually see results? I would say maybe 2 weeks, because just results, it depends what you mean by results. If you mean leads, then I would say 3 weeks. If you mean traction on your social media and growth, I would say the first week or two. Yeah, in that range. And the seventh question is, what do your clients have in common with each other? I would say, what do our clients have in common with each other? All of our clients are open-minded. So they're not stuck in their old habits of, yeah, this isn't gonna work. I'm gonna stick to my Yelp and Thumbtack, whatever, right? They are open to the fact that there's a new strategy that we've created that actually works, and they're open to trying it and actually utilizing this strategy and implementing the strategy for their own company. So they're all open-minded and ready to work and open to the fact that there is work for you to do. There is filming for you to do, if that's what you call work, right? So they're all of our clients are fairly open-minded and open to work and patient with results, because they know, and we say this in the beginning, that ads take a minute to warm up to then see tangible results, right? It doesn't come the first day, it doesn't come the first 48 hours. It takes a minute to warm up. So you're gonna spend, let's say one of our clients spent about $500 and they didn't see results, and we had a conversation and it was like, okay, I'm not seeing results, is this really working? I just told them to be patient. They trusted in the process, they were open-minded, and I believe in the next 48 to 72 hours, like the next 2 or 3 days, results just flew in, right? Leads just flew in. So it is a patient game, and to be open-minded and patient is what I would say our clients have in mind or have in common. And the last question I get is, do you have any proof that this works? I get this so many times. Yes, obviously we have proof. We're not just blabbering on about our strategy and we have no existing proof about it, right? If you DM me on Instagram at noah.o.arnold, I will send you proof. If you text me or DM me, hey, can I see some proof? I will literally send you proof, but I will pop some up right here somewhere and you can see the results. I'm not sure if you can read ad numbers, but the average cost per lead, a couple of them we've got around $3, around $9, anything under like $20, depending on how the micro data is looking, is great, right? So let's say you get a lead for, on the high part, of $18 per lead, right? And you get 10 leads from that ad. You close 1 out of the 10, and let's say you profit on the low portion of $1,000. Let's say you profit $1,000 for yourself. That is turning $18 from 1 lead into $1,000 profit, even though you got 10 leads, right? This is on the low portion, but yes, I will pop up results and proof. You DM me on Instagram, like I said, at noah.o.arnold. I will send you proof, and if you have any more questions and you want me to do another video like this, send me more questions. Send me more questions about the process, questions about the program, and I will gladly make another video like this if I can get a bunch more questions from you guys, okay? Also, if you guys want to book in a call one-on-one with me, I'll leave a link below. I always do. If you ever want to chat or have any questions about my process and you want to go in depth about it and you want me to go into depth about your situation, book in a call with me one-by-one or one-on-one, and we can sit down and have a chat. This concludes my video of the frequently asked questions. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys understood more and don't ask these questions anymore. If you have any questions, check this video out. If anybody asks me these questions again, I'll just send them this video. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.